Say hello, Jude.
Hola.
How effing cheap do you have to be? Look at this. Look at this. If the customer told me to do that to their muffler, you know what I tell them?
Get the hell out of my shop?
Yes. And then this is what's wrong with our business, because there's guys out here that will do this. This is what's wrong with our business. Uh-oh. This is horrible. This is sad. And this was done in a muffler shop. That's definitely a piece of tubing cut down and beat open and welded in, and actually knew what they were doing. I'd have been like, yeah, sorry dude, see you later. I mean, this isn't that expensive to cut this muffler out and put a muffler in. But there is some shops that will say, hey, oh, you have to buy the whole system because that's the way it comes. Not here. The good guys. We're the good guys.